What if I told you that the coffee you drink every morning could either be a lifesaver or a silent thief of your strength and vitality? Picture this. What if that same cup of coffee you love so much could help rebuild muscle, burn belly fat, and even protect your joints? Stick around, because today I'm revealing the shocking benefits of adding just one powder to your coffee. And trust me, you'll never look at your morning brew the same way again. We all know coffee is a staple in most people's morning routines. It's that warm, energizing jolt we rely on to start the day. But what if you could supercharge your coffee with ingredients that are scientifically proven to reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and prevent muscle loss, all for pennies a day? After 60, your body naturally loses about 8% of muscle mass every decade, leading to a higher risk of falls, fractures, and even an increased chance of early death. But here's the kicker. When combined with the right natural ingredients, your coffee can turn into a powerful, muscle-preserving elixir. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the number 4 ingredient. Its benefits are so powerful, it can improve mobility by over 40% in seniors. Yet hardly anyone in the West is using it. Before we dive into the magic powders, let me ask you, how old are you and where are you watching from? How's your health lately? Drop your answers in the comments below. I read every single one. Powder number 1. Cinnamon. First up, cinnamon. A spice you probably only associate with desserts or holiday treats. But when you stir it into your coffee, it becomes a muscle-protecting powerhouse. Here's why cinnamon is so good for you. Fights inflammation. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants and compounds that naturally reduce inflammation in the body. Regulates blood sugar. For seniors, maintaining stable blood sugar is crucial because unstable blood sugar steals energy from your muscles and accelerates muscle breakdown. Take John, for example, a 68-year-old man who often felt drained after lunch and noticed his legs getting weaker when climbing stairs. His wife suggested he try sprinkling cinnamon in his morning coffee, and within weeks, John noticed a significant drop in his blood sugar and his energy levels skyrocketed. His doctor was shocked by the improvement. All it took was half a teaspoon of cinnamon every day. The secret: cinnamon stabilizes your blood sugar, preventing those dangerous spikes and crashes that zap your energy and hinder muscle recovery. If you're using cinnamon, be sure to choose Ceylon cinnamon or true cinnamon, since it's safer for daily use. Just half a teaspoon stirred into your coffee will do the trick, and unlike sugary creamers, cinnamon adds no calories and helps regulate your metabolism. Powder number 2. Cocoa powder. Next, we have unsweetened cocoa powder, the same ingredient used for making hot chocolate. But in its purest, unsweetened form, it's a superfood that improves circulation and aids muscle recovery. Here's the deal. Flavanol-rich cocoa helps improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles. Muscle recovery is key for seniors, and when your muscles get more oxygen, they recover faster and perform better. Take Evelyn, a 72-year-old who had trouble with sluggish legs during her morning walks. After her grandson suggested she add unsweetened cocoa powder to her coffee, Evelyn was skeptical, but soon noticed her stamina improved, and she felt lighter on her feet. Her blood pressure even dropped at her next checkup. The science? Flavanols in cocoa help your endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels, function better, leading to better circulation and reduced stiffness in your muscles. And when combined with coffee's natural caffeine boost, it's a double punch of energy and circulation. To get the benefits, just add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder to your coffee. It not only enhances flavor, but also provides muscle-protecting benefits. Powder number 3. Coconut oil or MCT oil. While adding oil to your coffee might sound unusual, coconut oil or MCT oil is a game changer for both energy and muscle preservation. For seniors, this addition does more than just fuel your body. It helps stabilize your energy levels, protect your muscles, and even aid in fat loss. Here's why it works. MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides, are rapidly converted into ketones, which provide your body with a clean, efficient energy source. Unlike glucose, which can cause energy crashes, ketones are used by your muscles and brain to provide a steady fuel supply. Take Harold, a 69-year-old man who always felt shaky and drained by late morning. After trying MCT oil in his coffee at his son's suggestion, he found that his energy stayed steady throughout the day, and he no longer craved sugar to get through the afternoon. In just 2 months, Harold even lost 7 pounds around his waist, and his evening walks felt easier. To try it, blend just 1 teaspoon of MCT oil or coconut oil into your coffee. It adds a smooth, creamy texture to your coffee, and over time, it helps your body burn fat for energy, making your muscles stronger and more efficient. Powder number 4. Collagen powder. Collagen powder is more than just a beauty supplement. For seniors, it's an essential addition to your coffee if you want to preserve muscle, joints, and bone health. Why collagen works? Collagen is the building block of your muscles, joints, and skin. After age 60, your collagen production decreases, leading to joint stiffness, muscle weakness, and slower recovery from physical activity. Collagen replenishes these vital building blocks, helping your body rebuild itself from the inside out. Consider Robert, a 70-year-old man who loved gardening but was dealing with knee pain and slow recovery after light work. His neighbor suggested he try adding collagen powder to his coffee, and within 2 months, he noticed his knee pain had decreased significantly, and he could move more freely without stiffness. His doctor confirmed that his joint health had improved thanks to the collagen. 1 scoop of collagen powder provides 10 grams of protein, and it dissolves easily into your coffee with no taste. The key is consistency. When you add it to your coffee every day, you're fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to repair muscles and strengthen joints. Powder number 5. Whey protein powder. Whey protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's a vital nutrient for seniors looking to rebuild lost muscle and fight age-related muscle decline, aka sarcopenia. Why it's effective? Whey protein is rich in leucine, an amino acid that activates muscle-building signals in your body. Seniors often suffer from anabolic resistance, meaning their muscles are less responsive to regular protein intake. Whey protein, however, has been shown to overcome this resistance and improve muscle mass in older adults. Take Helen, a 67-year-old woman who started noticing her muscles becoming weaker. She added whey protein powder to her morning coffee, and in a few weeks, her arms became firmer and her strength improved dramatically. Even her doctor commented on her increased lean muscle mass. To use whey, just add 1 scoop of unflavored whey protein isolate to your coffee. It blends smoothly and doesn't add any unwanted flavor, so it's a great way to fuel your body with muscle-building protein each morning. Powder number 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are small but nutrient-dense little powerhouses that pack a punch in your morning coffee. They're full of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein, key nutrients that are crucial for seniors. Why they work? Omega-3s in chia seeds reduce inflammation and protect joints, while fiber helps stabilize blood sugar and improve digestion. Their protein content helps preserve muscle mass and keeps you feeling full longer. For example, George, a 70-year-old man, had trouble with fatigue and constipation. After adding chia seeds to his coffee, he noticed improvements in digestion and his energy levels shot up. In just a few weeks, he felt more energized and even noticed less stiffness in his joints. To use chia seeds, grind them first. Whole seeds pass through your system undigested, and add 1 to 2 teaspoons to your morning cup. They create a creamy texture and have a mild nutty flavor that makes your coffee even better. Conclusion. There you have it. 6 powerful ingredients you can easily add to your coffee to preserve muscle, improve circulation, and boost energy after 60. From the anti-inflammatory effects of turmeric to the muscle-building power of whey protein and collagen, these small changes can make a big difference in your overall health. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which ingredient will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite coffee additions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching. And remember, aging doesn't have to mean losing strength. With the right habits, you can stay strong, sharp, and independent for years to come.